It's exciting. Like, I think this year, being here from the start, there's a lot of excitement for me coming in. Last year was a cool experience coming in as an injury replacement, but I mean, now I want to get going from the start, so I can't be more excited. Yeah. If I look at this team, I think most of the guys I'm pretty excited to play with and be with them, spend some time with them. Of course, the young and upcoming star Brevis as well, flipping excited to play with him. Don't have to bowl to him this year, can watch how he whacks other people, so that's always nice. And then some of the international oaks, I think it's so cool to play with him. Can't wait for Under Russell to get you as well. I think that's going to be a cool experience, someone that I've watched since I was very young, and now I actually get to play with him. It's going to be awesome. I think it definitely does. I think everyone has a special feeling about the city because you grew up here. You know, you've been watching cricket at the stadium, so when you walk out to that park, you know how special it is to actually get to play there in front of 1,000 fans and stuff. So I think it makes it more special for the guys coming from here to actually represent this team. Yes, I can't wait to play at Centurion. I mean, one of the fastest tracks in our country, so I'm excited to hopefully bowl some wheels there. And I mean, the crowd with the grass embankments and everything is just awesome with the prize and everything. So I think it's going to be a lekker vibe and I just can't wait. Ja, julle kom asseblief. Ek dink dit gaan flippe lekker wees met ouens wat die bal ver slaan, ouens wat vinnig bal. Dit is altyd 'n lekker vibe as ons op park so kom. Sien julle die 27ste.